In this video, we're going to do a quick recap on forces. I've designed this to be used for NCEA Level 1 Science in the mechanics section, and during this video I'll be referring to this flashcard here, and you can get yourself a free copy from sciencescribe.co.nz. Now, forces are just things which can change the speed or direction of an object. It can cause things to accelerate or decelerate. This year there's also a new term called a net force. A net force you can think of as an overall force. It's like the force that's left over when all the forces acting on an object don't cancel out. So for example, if I had a car with a certain mass, I could say that it has a weight force in the downward direction. Weight is just a special name given to the force caused by the acceleration due to gravity, and because weight's a force, it's given in newtons. Don't get that confused with mass, which is given in kilograms. In the equal and opposite direction, I have the support force to support the car. Now, to show that the car isn't accelerating into the ground, I have to show that the forces are equal, that they're balanced. And to do that, I show that the force arrows are exactly the same size. So right now, I could say that in the vertical direction, all the forces are balanced because all the forces cancel out. Therefore, there is no net force. On the other hand, if I had an example in the horizontal direction where the thrust force is much larger than the drag force in the opposite direction, then I could say that the forces in the horizontal direction do not cancel out. I could say that they're unbalanced forces. Now, when unbalanced force, just to recap, means the forces in that direction don't cancel out. So in the horizontal direction for this car, these two forces don't cancel. It means that there's a net force. There's a leftover force which is going from left to right. And because there is a leftover force, because there is a net force, it means I have a value for F, which means I must also have a value for A for acceleration. It means that the car is accelerating. It means that the car right now is not just moving, it's also changing its speed or direction. Now, in another case, let's say we have the exact same car, but this time in the horizontal direction, drag and thrust are the same. Because those two forces are exactly the same size, I've got something called a balanced force, and that occurs when all those forces in that direction, in the horizontal direction, cancel out to zero. Now that means there's no net force, which means the value for F here must be 0. Now that must also mean that I have no acceleration, because no matter what the mass of that car is, for F to be 0, it means that A must be 0. It means acceleration must be 0 as well. Now just to recap, if something's got no acceleration, it doesn't just mean that it's not moving. It could also mean that it has a constant speed.